In this video, we're going to show you how to install the canister purge solenoid valve on your Nissan Murano located in the rear of the vehicle. Note the vehicle raising the supporter, you can locate the component in the rear of the vehicle here. It's right behind the rear differential and in front of the muffler. You want to go ahead and grab this vapor hose right here. We're going to twist it to break it free and then pull it off. Right beside it, you're going to see the electrical connector. Press on the little pinch tab and pull it off. Now there's a little locking tab right here. What we're going to do is we want to go ahead and rotate it upward. It's going to rotate counterclockwise. Spin that up, it's going to stop and then wiggle it out. Go ahead and inspect the canister itself. Make sure the port is clean. Now this has little alignment tabs on it. It can only fit in one way. So line that up just like ours was. And then twist it down and lock it on, just like so. Install the electrical connector. You should hear it and feel it lock in and install the vapor hose. Now after this is done, if you happen to have a check engine light on due to this component failing, be sure to use the proper scan tool, clear the code, and then go for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.